Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use VPVR in TradingView. The Visible Range Volume Profile, or VPVR, is a powerful indicator that displays trading volume at various price levels. It helps you quickly identify where the most buying and selling activity occurred, giving you insights into potential support and resistance zones. Understanding these areas is key to making informed trading decisions. Adding VPVR to your TradingView chart is straightforward. First, open your preferred chart for any asset you are analyzing. Next, locate the Indicators button at the top of your screen and click it. In the search bar, type Volume Profile Visible Range and select it from the results. The indicator will then appear on your chart, ready for analysis. Once VPVR is on your chart, interpreting its data is vital. High-volume nodes, represented by longer bars, show price levels where significant trading occurred, indicating strong support or resistance. Conversely, low-volume nodes suggest areas where price moved quickly, often acting as weaker zones. The point of control, or POC, highlights the single price level with the most traded volume. VPVR offers several strategic advantages. You can use high-volume nodes as strong areas of support when price is falling, or resistance when price is rising. Observing price action around the point of control can also signal potential reversals or continuations. Remember to combine VPVR with other indicators for confirmation. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.